And Jasleen, you mentioned your family isn't in this. Were they super supportive of you doing this, or how did your family play into all this?
No, they have a background of real estate properties, owning, managing. So they are, and then now we're all diving deeper into the medical facility. So I did mention that we have a 15-bed assisted living. We're actually in the process of acquiring a 50-bed now, and then soon it's going to be a 100-bed. And then we
That
also do have an additional 100 beds already.
that is impressive. You're doing that and you're learning from them. So you
Mhm.
could learn at least some of that with
Yeah,
them or from
100%,
them.
yeah.
And so you're still doing some things together. What else, I guess, what are some of the other big lessons that you've learned, like big picture, that can help a lot of people from any of these things that you're doing?
Don't run away from rejection or failure. Because a lot of times, like I'm sure you guys know this too, you'll try something and it won't work out. More often than not, it won't work out. But if you keep trying, you'll find the way.
Failure
Ex
is not failing. It's not
Yeah.
not succeeding.
Yeah.
True failure is when you give up, when you
Hmm.
stop trying. You
Yeah.
have to
And
keep,
it seems like a cheesy quote, but I promise it applies.
yeah, it's something, and not only, going back and trying to keep doing instead of giving up. A good thing to help not be trying forever is to learn from the mistakes that you make. Because if you make a mistake and then just do the same thing you did before, what was the way that Albert Einstein, I think it was, described insanity? Doing the same thing over and over and expecting a different result. You have
Yeah.
to, you
You
have
have
to,
to change
ch
your ways.
yep, change your ways, change your circumstances, and then try it again. And then hopefully you'll get a different and better result.
Yeah. And then
Right.
you never know what you're going to be successful at. You have to try everything. Like I said, I didn't know I was going to be successful at real estate until I tried it and I was like, oh, wait, maybe this is something I'm good at, which proven over the course of the year and a half, I have succeeded quite a bit.
Yeah.
Plans
So
night.
you never know what you're good at
Yeah. I
until
actually
you
worked my
try.
way up to the top 15 in my brokerage, and we're over, I want to say, 200 agents, and I'm part-time. I'm a full-time student. So I was able to achieve that while being a full-time student.
Wow.
Yeah.
I'm gonna guess that that takes some serious time management. So
A lot
I
of
guess
lack of sleep.
say that again.
Lack of sleep.
Lack of sleep. Well, I mean, we're Gen Z. We're college students.
We
Sleep is optional.
That is a
Uh,
joke. Sleep is very
We
important.
say it's
Do
a
not.
joke until I've survived all of last week on less than 3 hours per night.
yeah, I've had a couple of nights like that. Like, oh, hey, yeah, I'm just gonna get up a few hours early so I can take this test. Uh, I just had my first group of tests for college, and I do not like this. I enjoyed the summer and not having college.
Yeah.